Good morning everyone. Today I would like to present my mini research or pre-research entitled Student Perception Toward the Learning Process at SMKN 1 Garut. This research aims to explore student views and experiences related to the learning process at school. Vocational schools play an important role in preparing students for the world of work. Therefore, learning in SMK does not only focus on theory but also on practice. However, learning process is not only influenced by curriculum and teachers but also by how students perceive the learning process. Based on this background, this mini research focuses on student perception of several aspects such as learning process, teaching method, learning facilities, and learning obstacles experienced by students. There are 4 research questions in this study. First, student perceptions of the learning process. Second, their perception of teacher teaching method. Third, their perception of learning and facilities, and lastly, the learning obstacle faced by students. The objective of this mini research are to identify and understand student perception related to the learning process, teaching method, facilities, and learning obstacles at SMKN 1 Garut. This research is expected to provide an initial overview of students' perception. It can also be used as evaluation material for teacher and school, and as a reference for future research on similar topics. This study focuses on 4 main aspects, which are classroom learning process, teaching methods used by teachers, learning and practice facilities, and learning difficult skills by students.
And next, theoretical framework. The theoretical framework of this study is based on several experts. According to Walgito, perception is the process of giving meaning to stimuli. Sanjay explained that effective learning improves interaction between teacher and student. Brown emphasized the importance of teaching method, while Slamet and Jamara explained the role of facilities and learning obstacles in learning success. And then research method. This mini research uses a qualitative descriptive method. The data are collected through observation, short interview, or open questionnaire and documentation. And then subject and location. The subject of this research is student of SMKN 1 Garut, and the research is conducted at SMKN 1 Garut. And then research procedure. The research procedure starts from requesting permission from the school, conducting classroom observation, distributing interview or Google form, analyzing the data, and writing the mini research report. And next, references. The study is supported by several references related to learning, perception, and teaching strategies such as Brown, Jamara, Sanjaya, Slamet, and Walgito. That is all for my presentation. Thank you for your attention.